Want to add reliable roof storage to your Hyundai Tucson today? I'll install a 330 lb dynamic load roof crossbar set. No shop visit needed. Basic tools, 15 minutes. If you're reconsidering factory bars or worried about highway stability, don't miss this video. These are the 2016 to 2026 Hyundai Tucson roof crossbars. Let's start the assembly. These include 2 aluminum crossbars, 4 base feet, a tool kit, and the instruction manual. These crossbars are made from reinforced aluminum alloy, making them extremely strong with a high load capacity. The side profile features an aerodynamic wing shape designed to reduce wind resistance. Now, let's open the lock covers. Insert the 4 base feet into the aluminum crossbars one by one. The 2 screws on each base foot also need to be loosened in advance. This allows the clamp to have some room to move. Next, we move on to mounting it on the vehicle. When you tighten this bolt, you're relocking the all-metal internal support onto the factory rails. This isn't T-plastic. It tests metal to metal, which is why it supports 330 pounds of dynamic load. The rubber pads on the base feet fit perfectly against the factory roof rails. Don't forget to tighten the screws connecting the base feet to the crossbars.
Okay.
Now, let's put the lock covers on. If you already use Thule or Yakima bike racks, cargo baskets, or T-slot accessories, these crossbars are fully compatible. No need to change your mounting system. For me, this is the most practical feature. Once installed, it blends almost perfectly with the Tucson's lines. Without exaggeration, once you install this crossbar system, you no longer need to worry about high-speed driving, wind noise, or load capacity. If you're planning a camping trip, heading out for a ride, or simply need more space, next weekend might be exactly when it comes in handy.